Fine, be that way. So have you noticed so many YouTube channels now doing the YouTube shorts, the short videos?
Yeah, they're everywhere. Yes, they are. Yep.
Yeah, so what's up with that? Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free. And so what's up with YouTube shorts, short videos? All of a sudden you see it everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, basically, YouTube is changing up a lot of things. They've introduced the shorts, and I think from what I understand, they're trying to be in competition now with Instagram. I forget what Instagram calls their short videos. And with Facebook Reels and Facebook Stories.
TikTok,
they're trying to be in competition with them. And so they've introduced these YouTube shorts. But here's the thing. They've changed their algorithm so that basically now we as creators are almost required to do shorts. So you may have noticed that we have started doing a few of them, and we will continue. Here's what's happening. Any of you who are subscribed to our son's channel, Empty Hammock, Barry did a video a few weeks ago talking about that he's losing subscribers, and he wanted to ask you all to help by sharing and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Well, we have seen a similar trend, and he did that video before we really understood what was going on. But for the past, how long have we been on YouTube? 8 years? 9 years? We've been averaging anywhere from like 100 to 150 new subscribers a day. We've been averaging like 2,500 new subscribers per month. And all of a sudden, starting about 6 months ago, that took a drastic nosedive. And then, and we were just like gaining 200 or 300 per month. And now all of a sudden, in the past 3 weeks, we've lost actually a few a day, but we've lost almost 100 subscribers, which is the negative growth for us is a new thing. We've never seen that before. And now we're just kind of maintaining. We gain a few, we lose a few, and there's a window of about 25 subscribers, 157,500 and 157,525. That little 25 gap or window there, we just keep fluctuating up and down right in there. And so Barry and I started doing some investigating, and we discovered what's going on. Like I said, YouTube has introduced shorts. They've also introduced some other new features. And basically, the only way your channel grows on YouTube is if YouTube recommends your videos. You know, you finish a video and then a bunch more come up as recommendations. YouTube recommends your videos, and it's important to stay within the algorithm of what YouTube sees as acceptable videos for them to promote you. Well, now with all these new things that they've introduced, they are no longer promoting channels that don't do the new things. So I'm talking about YouTube Shorts, which are videos basically 30 seconds or less. There's also what's called Super Chat, which is when you do a live video, somebody who pays money to YouTube to be a Super Chat, then when they comment on your live video, their comment stands out real big so you can see it. Chapters in a video so you can dial into the exact chapter that you want. Several other things that they've introduced all at once. You probably didn't even know half of this, did you?
I'm learning.
Yeah. And basically, if you are not doing all of these things, then YouTube will no longer promote you. So that's what's happening with us. That's why we're just kind of maintaining. So why are we losing people? And here's what I think is happening. I think we always have had that amount of that amount of attrition where we would lose 5 or 10 per day, but we would gain 50 per day, so we never really realized it. So now that they are requiring the shorts, they're no longer promoting our channel, we're not gaining the new ones, so now all we're seeing is the attrition. So with all of that being said, I wanted to explain that so you know what's going on, and so you know why all of a sudden you're seeing YouTube short videos everywhere. Everybody's doing it. It's basically because YouTube is requiring it for anybody who wants their channel to grow. So, to be real frank, I don't necessarily like them.
Oh, I think they can be fun.
They can be fun, but most of the time it's like, that's it? I want more. And for us personally, we can't even say hello in 30 seconds. So we've actually seen one channel that we really like a lot.
Oh, we loved watching him for ages.
That used to do long form. He's a musician and he used to do long form, videos of songs.
Wonderful.
He's fabulous. And all of a sudden he has completely stopped his long form videos and he's just doing shorts where he takes a little 10 measure section of a song and puts that out as a short.
With all the different voices layering on one at a time.
And that's all he's doing.
And they're wonderful, but I miss his other videos.
We really miss his long videos. So we just want to assure you that nothing is changing as far as our long-term content.
Yeah, we're just going to basically still stay ourselves,
Yep.
do what we've been doing.
So we're still going to do basically 3 videos a week, which is one Tea with Jesus on Sunday and 2 other content videos per week that are going to continue to be our long-form style.
Yeah, just,
anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes.
Yeah, our basic stuff.
And then we will be adding to that at least 1 or 2 shorts per week to try to bump up the algorithm a little bit so that we can get YouTube recommending us again.
Yeah, we got to kind of go with what YouTube's asking and requiring, just so we can kind of stay in the system, so.
And in fact, I've heard of several channels, large channels, 1 million subscribers or more, who were complaining that they've actually lost as much as 20% of the views that they normally get. Which means, of course, that's also going to be a cut to 20% of their income from YouTube algorithms.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, when people have a channel that is become established and is pretty developed and everything, it's a lot of work. And it's what you do. There's a lot involved. They don't come prepackaged. So these people put a lot. Well, we've put a lot of work into the things that we put out, and the channels that really want to keep going do that.
Right. And it's a full-time job for us, and we don't make videos just to make money. We make videos for you. We make videos because we enjoy teaching, we enjoy encouraging, we enjoy showing our travels.
Yeah, we just enjoy interacting with you guys. It's been really cool. It's just been a really cool ride now for a long time.
Yeah. But the other side of the coin is that we can easily work 40 hours a week just putting out 3 videos and answering all the comments. And we can't do that if we couldn't earn an income from it.
Yeah, I mean, one way or another, that's where our income comes from. Yeah.
So it's kind of essential for us that we keep our viewership up, So anyway,
besides, we like all you guys a lot.
Yeah, and I know a lot of you were wondering what was going on with the shorts, and we've done, I think, only 2 or 3 of them, but already I've gotten some negative responses from them, like, why are you doing these short little videos? I like your long form. Well, I understand, because we do too. I just want to let you know why you're seeing shorts everywhere now.
Yeah. Yeah, and a lot of people aren't really changing their channel, they're just adding the shorts into it. But like I said, we've seen a few where it looks like they're going whole hog into just the shorts. And like I said, I've missed what I've enjoyed so much about their channels. And I don't know. No matter what happens, we've just really wanted to just be ourselves and be real about what we're putting on our channel. So even if we have to do a few little shorts so that the system works with YouTube, that's not going to change who we are or what we're doing. Right. We just do little short versions of it, like the one you did with the cat recently. I got a kick out of that.
Yeah, the cat box.
Yeah.
It's a real different way for us to think, because we just have to constantly be aware of, there's a short moment.
Yeah, there's something that would work.
Pick up your camera and film 20 seconds, and that's a short. We're not used to thinking that way.
Yeah. I know a lot of people that do a lot of TikTok and Instagram. That's the way they function all the time.
Yeah.
They just come up with these neat little things all the time. But that's a learning curve for us. We're working on it.
Right. And it's not that easy when you're not aimed that direction.
Yeah, I haven't been in that groove.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's it. I don't want us to go on and on. I just wanted you to know what's going on with the shorts and why we are going to be adding shorts to our channel now.
Well, and if you want something to work, you have to understand how the system works. So
Right.
we're trying to really learn what it is that YouTube is looking for in terms of keeping the channel going. And every YouTuber that is, really working within the YouTube system kind of has to be a little bit reliant on what Google decides to do with your videos. So, yeah, I tell you what, if you guys haven't watched Empty Hammock, I got to give a plug for a short that Barry put out recently about how to relax. It's called Empty Hammock, and he put a little short out about how to relax, I think. It's hilarious.
It's absolutely hilarious. I've watched it a dozen times.
Yeah, it's so much fun. But anyway, I just want to give him a little plug because he comes up with these really creative ideas,
So anyway, that's what's happening, but just a little bit of a slight change in the topic here. I just want you to know, if you enjoy our channel and you really want to support us, there's several ways you can do that. And one is, like Barry mentioned on his video, share our videos. If you see one that you like, share it on Facebook or whatever. If you're blessed by a tea with Jesus and you think somebody would be blessed by that, share it.
Yeah.
And and also, yes, we do get paid for our videos if people watch the ads at the beginning.
Yeah, like what, 20?
And they have to watch 30 seconds of the ad for us to be able to get paid. And we only get paid a fraction of a penny for each one. But when you have enough views, then it adds up. So if you want to help us financially and without any additional, money out of your pocket, just 30 seconds out of your wallet.
Yeah. Simple things like the thumbs up. You hear people talk about it all the time. The things up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We don't tend to talk about that too much anymore. We used to way back at the beginning, but that kind of stuff does still matter. The comments, just the thumbs up, all that, just kind
Except
of.
that I wasn't finished with the ad yet.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
If the ad is less than 30 seconds, you have to watch the whole thing for us to get paid. If it's more than 30 seconds, then if you watch at least 30 seconds, then you can click off. Then we'll get paid our fraction of a penny.
Right.
So we really do appreciate that.
And we really try to avoid ads that you can't help but watch. We never check those. We have no control over what ads they put on, but we can control asking them, please don't put ads on that you're required to watch.
Right.
Yeah.
So.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your ad information.
Anyway, there you go. That's what's happening. That's why we're doing shorts. That's why everybody's doing shorts.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah, I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps you understand a little bit what's going on with YouTube.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
And we really, honestly appreciate you all so
Absolutely.
much.
We appreciate every one of you.
Everyone. This has been just a joy getting to know people all over the world. And for you to, we even want to watch us and be a part of our life it's an incredible privilege. Yep. It really is. Alrighty. All right, love you guys.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.